Hey guys, today we're doing something super special. We are in a little town called Karamias in the South Okanagan, just west of Osoyoos, a half an hour. It's in this nice, beautiful valley. Actually, we're in the town called Cawston, I should say. Cawston is just outside of Karamias, so they are two separate towns. I should verify that. But anyways, I'll show you this place we're staying. It's super nice. Okay guys, so here's the place we're staying. This is called the Cobb House. And obviously, like its name states, it's made of cob. So cob is essentially a combination of, I believe, straw or hay, clay, and dirt. Sand, I should say. We're on an organic farm here. They grow cherries and apples. And this thing is just so cool. I'll put the price up on the screen. I forget exactly what it was. It was about 135, something like that. But I'll verify it on the screen. So look at this. Oh, those are probably her strawberries that are fresh.
That's so awesome.
Dude.
Wow, look at the view.
Some organic wine. Wow. Coffee maker. So we got some coffee. We're gonna make that. I love this.
I know, me too.
The towel work. Cool. I like how they did the art in the ground there. Wood beams. So look at this. New little couch, all made of cob. We got a wood stove.
Oh, well, we should light it tonight.
Yeah, we might want to. It could get chilly.
Oh, I love that.
That's wicked. Beautiful. Okay.
The bathroom.
Now let's check out the bathroom, which is, I like the bathroom too. Oh, I like how you can, I got those look-through glass there. Or not look-through, but it gives it some art. All right. Here's the bathroom. Look at that beautiful soaking tub. Everything's all cedar, it looks like. Nice view of the garden out there. Yeah, this is all like cedar, I believe. So dope. God, this is wicked. Okay, we'll go up to the loft. This is where you sleep. Oh, so when you get up to pee in the middle of the night, this is what you do. Whoa, that's a steep one. But it's... Oh, nice. Look at the view. That view is spectacular. I love the windows. Amazing. Nice big comfy bed too. Oh, and look at that for the heat.
Oh, yeah, so it comes out, right?
That's smart. So they must have ran the furnace pipe, or I mean the stove pipe up through there so that it heats this bedroom. That's really cool, man. Yeah, so I'll put the link in the description for you guys if you want to rent this place. I highly suggest it. I just talked to the owner. She's super nice. She lived in this one for 10 years. All right. So we're just sitting out front of the Cobb House, enjoying some charcuterie, complimentary strawberries, and complimentary organic rose wine. With a good view in the background. It's beautiful. So the Cobb House comes with a dog, and apparently she's a disability dog, like she's a bit handicapped. So. Cute though. So we're just sitting here thinking, we're chit-chatting. And I remember I said in the video earlier that we're in the South Okanagan. It's actually not the South Okanagan. It's the Similkameen Valley, and I totally forgot. And that's why like the owner of this place was like, oh, you guys are from the Okanagan, right? And I'm like, we're all from the Okanagan. What are you talking about? And then I thought about it later. I'm like, oh yeah, this is the Similkameen Valley. Even though the Okanagan is, whatever, 20 minutes away, 30 minutes away. It's not the Okanagan. But yeah, we got a thunderstorm coming in. We're just enjoying, you know, it's a little brisk out here, but it's beautiful. Look at that view. And there's some thunder. And as long as it's not raining on us, we're happy. We ate a lot of charcuterie. I call it charcut.
Drink a lot of cider. Not lots.
We had a bottle of cider. It's fruit wine, apparently, or whatever. Cider, fruit wine, same thing. What is cider? That's basically fruit wine. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. All right, signing off. Casey, tell them what I want you to say.
Toodles.
There you go.